In this video, we will see how to AirPlay to a Mac. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. So let's get started. Click on the Apple logo and the system settings. Under system settings, go to General. Click on the AirDrop and Handoff. And here is the option for AirPlay receiver. AirPlay receiver allows nearby Apple devices to send video and audio content to your Mac with AirPlay. Enable the AirPlay receiver option and enter the password and click on Modify settings. Now it has been enabled. There are three options for the Allow AirPlay for. So currently it is selected for the current user. It means that you should have the same Apple ID on the other devices who wants to AirPlay with this Mac. So another option is the everyone. So everyone can AirPlay with the Mac. Another option is the anyone on the same network. So any other Apple ID connected on the same network, they can also AirPlay with the Mac. Currently I am going to select the current user only, as I feel this option is better for my Mac and my connection. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.